In continuation to our topic learning curve, this is the first question, a numerical problem. Given A is equal to 10 hours, that is the time taken for the first unit, and the learning rate is 80%. Calculate average time for 20 units, total time for 30 units, time for units 31 to 40 units. Given that logarithm of 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010, logarithm of 3 to the base 10 is 0.4771, logarithm of 4 to the base 10 is 0.6021. P, which is the learning coefficient for 80% learning rate, is already given in this question as 0.322, which can be calculated as logarithm of 0.8 to the base 10 divided by logarithm of 2 to the base 10. Then antilog of 0.5811 is given as 3.812. Antilog of 0.5244 is given as 3.345. Antilog of 0.4841 is given as 3.049. Let us start. So let me first do the first question. We have the learning curve model as y is equal to a x to the power of b. So in this first question, we already been given a value as 10 hours. So 10 multiplied by x. In this case, we are supposed to do it for 20 units. So x is considered to be 20 units. To the power of b value is already given. It should be minus, I'm sorry, minus 0.322. So that means we can say logarithm of y is equal to logarithm of 10 minus 0.322 logarithm of 20. That means logarithm of y is log 10 is 1 minus 0.322 times log 20 can be written as log 20 can be written as 10 into 2. That means logarithm of 10 into 2 can be written as log 10 plus log 2. And that is 1 minus of 0.322 times log 10 is 1, log 2 is given in the question as 0.301. So this is nothing but 1 minus of 0.322 times 1.301. If we calculate that, we will get the result as 0.5811. So that means log y is 0.5811, which means y will be anti-log of 0.5811. So that is given in the question as 3.812 hours per unit. So here they are asking us to find the average time per unit for manufacturing 20 units. That is already being done. Second part, for 30 units, y will be 10 times 30 to the power of minus 0.322, which means logarithm of y is logarithm of 10 minus 0.322 times logarithm of 30 can be written as 10 into 3. So that can be splitted now, which means logarithm of y is log 10 is 1 minus 0.322. We can split this as log 10 plus log 3. This is 1 minus of 0.322. Log 10 is 1. Log 3 is given in the question as 0.4771. So this together becomes 1.4771 multiplied by negative 0.322, then adding 1. If you do all those, you will get 0.5244. This is logarithm of y, which means y will be anti-log of 0.5244. That is given in the question as 3.345. 3.345 hours per unit. But here they had asked us for the total time for 30 units. Therefore, total time for 30 units will be 30 multiplied by 3.345. If we calculate, we will get 100.35 hours. Third part, they are asking for 31 to 40 units. Let us calculate 40 units first. For 40 units, y will be a, that is 10 times 40 to the power of negative 0.322, which means logarithm of y will be logarithm of 10 minus 0.322 times log of 40 can be written as 10 into 4. So that means log y will be log 10 is 1 minus 0.322 times log 10 plus log 4. 1 minus of 0.322. Log 10 is 1. Log 4 is given in the question as 0.6021. 6021. So if we calculate that, it is 1.6021 multiplied by negative 0.322 plus 1. We will get 0.4841, which means y is anti-log of 0.4841. Anti-log of 0.4841 is given in the question as 3.049. 3.049 hours. Therefore, for 40 units, total time will be 40 multiplied by 3.049. That will give us 121.96 hours. This is for 40 units. So based on this, we can calculate, therefore, time for 31 to 40 units will be, so this minus this. So 121.96 hours minus 100.35 hours. Together, it will become 21.61 hours. That is the third part's solution. And there are only 3 parts in this question. All the 3 are being done.